Yeah, what's up my beautiful people? Yeah man, we're outside again, you know. It's raining guys. It's raining. Yeah, the pumpkin come on good guys, look at the pumpkin. Yeah man. Pumpkin come on good. Yes guys. Yeah, out here now guys. Yeah, I'm just going to look at base tour. We're going around the headquarters and the base. Plants come on very well. But out here in the rain for you guys. Yeah, we're just showing you what's going on in the weather. Yeah, the plant now come up nice. Yeah man, outside man, fully active man. Yeah, I'm going to give thanks to all of my subscribers then. All and the new subscriber. Yeah man, keep on stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah, remember always like up the video them now guys, so YouTube can recommend the videos. Okay? Yeah, just leave your feedback in the comments so I can know what you guys watching from what you're not watching. For shelter out here. Pop. Shelter. Pop for shelter. Because I go on for the plant in the people. Yeah, coming on lovely. Yeah. Lovely plant coming on right here. So I keep active in my people. It's rain and fall, I need to start putting some more work. I got good old renter yam. The renter yam I can bigger now. 5 pound of renter yam to dig out of that. So, I have all jelly right here. That's a jelly. I don't know if you can see it well. That's a jelly in the tree. I want to stay tuned and join me when I go live. I want to subscribe to the channel, you know. But I need you guys on the way. I need you guys to share up the video, write up the video. Yeah man, tell a friend to tell a friend man. It's fully active though. Yeah, out here in the weather. Weather, crazy weather. Out here in the weather guys. I'm gonna end the vlog now guys, because I'm gonna get some food in the market so I can cook some food to show you guys. Yeah, I'm probably gonna cook some food in the morning. But after in the video now, yes, so I can get some food. Now, you know tomorrow is holiday. Everywhere gonna close if I don't get any food. Yeah, probably gonna have to fast the whole day tomorrow and the other day. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video. Yeah, I'm out.